Hey guys, this is Smiley and you are watching AWL Books Nerd. So guys, in front of you, you can see a lot of books and bookmarks. So let's see which books I got as my birthday gift. Sorry for the late uploading. So the first book is Samsara by Saksham Garg. Most recent published book, Samsara, still every Indian hearts. But you know, the quality of the book was not very good for the packaging of Bookchore. I purchased it from Bookchore at low cost, but you can see the quality is not so good. But yes, the book is satisfying. So as I see the money problem of mine as a high school student, so it is a perfect book for me, and I also want to read it, but not in this time because I had already a current read now. The next is Harry Potter and the Cursed Child. Well, I'm a Harry Potter fan, and this is the last part of Harry Potter. And honestly, I cannot buy this book from Manx Shop because their idea not shown in my profile. So I mean Instagram profile, so I cannot purchase this book from them. And if I can, so I absolutely purchase this book from them. I don't know what the problem of my device, or they block me or something else. So if I talk about the book quality and the price, so really satisfying. Of course, I cannot get a bookmark, but yes, the quality is good, not bad. The next is The Good Girl Guide for Murder. Guide to Murder series by Holly Jackson. Series was purchased by me for my birthday. Well, the first are A Good Girl, A Good as Dead, and Good Girl Bad Blood, and A Good Girl's Guide to Murder. All books are purchased from Manx Shop, so I get 3 bookmarks of these books, and really satisfying. I also post of this book unboxing video on my Instagram, and I also promised you that I will post the unboxing video on YouTube as soon as possible. So the quality of the book as the price is so satisfying, and I'm really satisfied with Manx Shop. Really, they give me always the best quality book and really satisfied me. I don't know why people are always purchase books from Amazon or Flipkart, where I always purchased from Manx Shop, and I prefer it too. Really satisfying. And the next is Harry Potter series. This series are given by me. Given to me by an uncle, and you can see the 7 series are here. And this also I purchased from Manx Shop, and let's see the quality. Well, so satisfying, really so satisfying. I always like to purchase book from their shop. The box quality is also good. My mom also satisfied to purchase all books from them to me, and really I'm just wanted to read all books of Harry Potter, but currently I already say that I already read another book as a current read. So I also show you the book which I currently read, but before I show you the book, I want to show you the another book, because the book I currently read had another story, and I really want to share the story with you. And that's why I left the book Samsara and make the book as my current read. So the next book is a Bangla book, Kakababu Somogro 3 by Sunil Gangopadhyay. This is the most favorite and adventurous book for me. Yes, the paper quality is also good, and this are also given to me by an uncle as a birthday gift. Really so satisfying. As a Bengali, of course, I love to read also Bangla books, but not now because I don't had a lot of storage to store the Bangla books, so I just currently stopped to purchase. I just want to complete the Kakababu series, and then I stopped for a while to purchase Bangla books. And the next is the most special book which I currently read now. Not because horror is my favorite genre, because this is a love language. Actually, this book is sent by Manx Shop, and I'm quietly sure that this book is not from their shop, because I also checked their website, Meesho, and all the websites they have, and they sell for. I think this book are purchased by them from Flipkart or Amazon to send me, because they already know that I love horror genre, and also I'm a fan of Anita Krishan, and also I read a book already by Anita Krishan, Ghost of the Silent Hill. I also had an unboxing video on this book, so you can check it on my YouTube videos and my Instagram account. And I also share the unboxing videos of this all books which I had currently now, except Samsara and Kakababu. I will send the all unboxing video on my YouTube as soon as possible. Thank you so much, Manx Shop, to send me this gift. That's why it was like a blinded book. So I just decided to read this book at first, then the other books. And really, I like this book, and I already finished the half of the page of this book. And I also tried to make a review video on this book. And I again to thanks Manx Shop to send me, basically to Professor, to send me this book. Actually, I called Manx Shop's owner as Professor. So thank you so much, Professor, to give me this book. I really love it, and I also want to make a review video on this book. And also they gave me a lot of bookmarks as a gift. Oh, sorry, this I had all this book I already get. Not this all books. These are I get a lot of this I've spent, but these are recently I get with this all books, and really so special. They also gave me a lot of extra bookmarks, and I also ordered a lot of books from their shop, and I think the all books have become, and I also made the part 2 as soon as possible. And thank you so much. Bye.